my plan is to drop this in. Let me even sing this in now. Before you know. Listen. Do like this.
Okay.
It's your life. That's the beat on you. That's like the bass line.
I'm listening.
Yo. Hey, yo. I get it. Now check
What is Ayo? Go straight to the point now.
No, listen. The beat. I'm trying to gather all the beat. Now, this is the...
Okay, I'll let you do you want to...
No, hold on. This is the bass line. So, give me. Again.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Jacka, go. Give me. K. I got it. Hey, yo.
I beg. Let me hear what. Even people that know music don't even do all this one. Even WIZKID safe. Speaking of WIZKID, do you guys know that I know WIZKID?
Listen, this song I'm doing so. If you can listen to the song, it makes sense.
Keep quiet now. You've been on this song for how long now?
No.
You've not even one singular word.
No,
not
please
one
wait.
word.
I said something. You do not acknowledge me.
Because what you said even what you said did not acknowledge you.
Because we know your type.
You say WIZKID.
You know
WIZKID well.
See, this is not a Teddy situation. No, I'm serious. I know what I'm saying. I know WIZKID. I met his manager.
Wait, must you use me as an example of who doesn't know people?
And you're always claiming now, but we never see anything. But this, I'm telling you, this is real. I know WIZKID's manager. Like, I met his manager.
Look, WIZKID, his manager is different from him.
See,
if you know WIZKID, you don't know WIZKID.
I was supposed to meet him, but I think he was busy with his performance. So his manager said later I can go and meet him.
Wait, are you saying that now? This small Bianca that we know here, apprentice in saloon.
Keep quiet.
I say I know WIZKID.
If out of the both of you, even if I'm there to believe anyone, I can't
not
believe
you.
Why? Because you're always full of lies.
Ayo Balogun.
You know, of course, everybody.
AY. Somebody will call AY in our hood. I don't know Ayo Balogun.
I'm not sure if you're not referring to AY the comedian.
No, even that AY itself is still in my hood.
You were saying you know
I
him
said
well.
See, I'm going to prove it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to invite him here. I'm going to call his manager.
You invite WIZKID?
Yes, I'm going to.
Bianca, stop this your joke now.
Thank you.
I joke a lot. I don't like this your joke.
Thank you.
You joke a lot sometimes.
I'm not joking. Okay, wait.
You mean the WIZKID that used to press Tiwa's bumbo? That used to slap Tiwa's. Wait, just hold on. Let me be sure. Do you know Tiwa?
Everybody knows Tiwa.
Do you know Tiwa Savage?
Everybody knows her.
Did you know that WIZKID used to hit her at times? Like hit her like this.
See,
What has that got to do with this?
Let me tell you guys.
It's okay. Oh, your turn.
For what?
Just turn.
I'm not turning. Say what you want to say.
Say what you want to say.
Just turn. Just take a spin for us. Spin. It's WIZKID. It's WIZKID.
Just for turning. For turning.
WIZKID does not like girls with big bum bum.
You are not serious.
He like it portable.
You are not serious. See, I'm going to invite WIZKID here. I'm going to call his manager, and he's going to come here.
Okay.
And we can even do a meet and greet.
Oh wow, beautiful.
Hold on.
I mean, if you're sure of what you're saying,
I'm sure now.
Just hold on. The only thing I will agree is because as you turn now, I say you and Tiwa, you have similar waist. So maybe WIZKID knows you.
Teddy, you're not making points.
This is the money making opportunity. If
Okay,
she's saying she knows.
So now that you know him and we agree that you know him now, let's get serious now. You are sure?
I know him.
Because his number I have now is not going again.
What number?
You
What
don't know
number? Who do you know?
His phone number.
You don't know anybody, so keep quiet. This is a money making opportunity. Let us know how to figure out how we can maximize it.
Sorry. So now that WIZKID is coming here now, I have an idea.
Okay, so
Okay.
what's the idea?
If she says she will do meet and greet, it can't be free now. It can't be free.
Yes.
If WIZKID, Ayo Balogun,
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Wheezy.
Oh, we know who he is now.
Star boy.
So, no, how?
The singer of Joro, hold on.
These are his songs.
If
I know.
WIZKID, the singer of Soccer, is coming here, you can do gate fee.
Okay, gate fee.
Meet and greet with fans.
Okay.
Selfie, 3,000.
Selfie. Okay, yes, selfie.
With WIZKID, 3,000.
Yes.
Portrait from here,
2,500.
Group picture, 1,000.
What? 1,000?
Yes, 1,000.
Like what is the number of people that will
Like 3 people, 3
No,
people.
no, that is too small now. Let us make it very.
Okay, 5 people.
No, 10.
The way your
much.
hand is like it's small. Spread it out.
No,
Your
10
hand.
will not make enough
10.
money. 5.
10. 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
That's 10,000.
You see that
It's a
people will
good
come
idea.
here, but I know people will do more of
Selfie.
Thank you.
Because why?
Everybody
Love.
want to attach himself to a celebrity.
And they know, and they know WIZKID.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah?
Hey, and I'm going to sell small chops at the gate
No.
with drinks.
It's not burial.
Nah, she can do it.
I can do
It's
it.
not. It's your birthday.
Am I not the one inviting me?
She come up with the idea in the first place.
Okay, it's fine.
Was it your idea?
It's okay. You sell your chops and pop off. Eh? What we'll do now?
And that thing.
We need to clear here.
And that thing. Mr. Jude.
My plan is here.
Mr. Jude.
Let's sack him.
Sir.
Are you the one that employed him?
Okay, sorry. Let's suspend him.
No, we'll just ask him to leave for that day.
That's
He should not.
Which day are you even bringing? Which day is coming?
Let's say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is
Yeah.
fine now.
See, eh?
Oh,
For
God.
once,
I don't like to
for
brag.
once, this your beauty is useful. Because even the salon work, it's not like you can even make hair. Then for once, I've seen you put something to use. So
talking
tomorrow,
about Mr. Jude,
eh?
we'll just tell him to leave.
Tomorrow, he should not come to work.
Yes.
Like,
something that.
we don't want to see you here tomorrow.
What if he asks what's happening?
That's,
We'll play around
if you say what's happening, we'll say
We'll play around it. We'll just tell him
that
something.
we are on leave tomorrow. Tomorrow.
You can't be on leave here now. The four of us can't be on leave here. Either the three of us or four of us can't be on leave.
Okay, see, Mr. Adi should not just come to work. Simple. Abi? Oga Jude,
We want to see
we
you.
came to see you.
So what's the
Yes.
Ahead of tomorrow, don't come to work.
Yes. We don't want you to come to work tomorrow.
Did I do anything?
No.
Then why are you people stopping me from coming to work tomorrow?
No, see, the point is that we want to sanitize this place.
We are also doing fumigation
Fumigation
in the
yes.
salon and in the compound.
Wait, when are sanitization and fumigation stop people from coming to work?
Fumigation, chemicals.
When has it stopped people from coming to work?
First of all, that chemical is very hazardous to the human
Thank you
body.
very much.
And you people are coming if it's
can
hazardous.
give-
No,
And the way
we
you-
never said we are coming.
The way you used to cough, if that chemical meets your cough, you can die. Secondly, there are plenty rats in the compound, so we want to fumigate and so we can kill them.
No, why you people do? See, Teddy, Bernard, you people are hiding something from me. What are you people hiding?
Nobody's
please.
hiding anything. Nobody's hiding anything. Is it wrong to fumigate your environment, especially where you live?
I tell you,
What is wrong in that now?
Oga Jude, please. The rat in this compound. Do you know last night I was here in this salon?
Exactly.
I saw two rats grabbing each other's hair. One wore apron, and the other one was shaving the other one.
Teddy, that's a big fat lie now. Why you people want to? Teddy, see, I'll come to work tomorrow.
Mr. You can't come to work. You come to, or do you want us to change that up here?
Okay, see, it's fine. See, this compound, the rat here, the one I saw this morning, is this tall. Come on.
No problem. You people don't want me
I'm
to.
saying that rat. Did you see the rat?
Who has never seen a rat that is this tall?
Sorry.
No problem. So,
I'm sorry.
So you people don't want me to come to work tomorrow?
Yes.
That's your final decision.
Yes.
Yes. For your own safety.
Please.
No problem.
For health reasons, please.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
And please, Okajit, please. Tomorrow is your lockdown. Stay at home. You are on lockdown. You hear me? Don't come out too. Please. Please, oh.
Hello? I play 2.5. Man you to lose.
Why?
Just
No, why?
hello.
How can now?
Hold
Why?
on.
But why now?
Teddy,
But it's wrong now.
what happened?
A business I brought. My idea. Bianca and this short Bernard now said that they will give me. Bianca will take 60%. They will now give me. The owner of the idea, I will now share with Bernard. 2020. That's Bianca 60. Me and Bernard 2020.
No, now.
Why?
No, now.
But my idea.
In accountancy, the ratio is wrong.
It's wrong now.
Yes. In accounting, the ratio is wrong.
It's very wrong. And they're saying that, oh, me, I'm bragging. Oh, I don't know people that I'm bragging. I'm living fake life.
Teddy, stop speaking in parables. What is happening?
Is them now?
Teddy, what is it? Go straight to the point. Leave them. What is it?
It's because of tomorrow.
What is tomorrow? Say it now.
Tomorrow, 60-40, that's why you.
Daddy.
Tomorrow.
It's
WIZKID though.
What happened to WIZKID? What happened? Daddy got shot to the point, eh?
It's because tomorrow, WIZKID is coming here. That's why Bianca, my idea, small Bianca now will take 60. I will not take 20.
Wait.
Men are 20.
Wait. Which of the WIZKID?
Yeah, now.
Daddy, you are wicked. So you want to leave me out of this? You want to sideline me, Abi? You and Bernard. So WIZKID is the big rat you want to kill, Abi?
It's because we don't want you to share the money with us.
Is that not wickedness?
But even at that, they don't want to cheat me. Because I say, let's actually not go to work. They don't want to cheat me out of my share of the money. Why?
You see? Now you have problem. Now you remember Mr. Jude. I will help you.
Thank you.
Now I will let them know that I actually study accountancy. I will display my accountancy profession.
Thank you.
I will let them know that I was the former president of ICANN in year 2002.
Thank you.
Now, this is how it's going to go.
Good.
You are going to collect 95% of the deal.
Because it's my idea.
Because it is your idea, your thinking.
Yes.
Then Bernard and Bianca will share 5%. 3% to Bianca, 2% to
no, 4% to Bianca. 1%.
No. Let's just
Okay, 2.
2 to Bianca. All right, that 2 to Bianca. So that is it. Then me and you as
wait, before I talk about me and you, how much will I give you for this your work? How much will you collect from my hand?
You know, as your manager, and I'm the one fighting, advocating for you.
Yes.
In this sharing formula.
Yes.
I will collect 65. You will collect 25.
For what? Are you WIZKID? Are you the WIZKID?
Daddy.
Look at you. That can pay for help. In short, don't come again.
Daddy.
See, because of your idea that I like, Bianca will take 10%.
Okay.
Bernard will take 2%. Me now, as far as my idea, you hold 10%, I hold 85%.
Daddy, come on. Come up now. Come up. You don't know the work I will do. Underground work, paperwork, signing. Everybody will stamp. I will file it. I will submit.
Because of this stamp you mentioned now, and tax, and VAT, you hold 50%.
Daddy, my man.
So don't make sure that I get my 80%.
Daddy, I say your money is complete. No need, leave it for me. This is where I want to display. This is where I will show them that I was employed in UK. I became an accountant in UK. From there, I moved to America. From America, they employed me in Canada. Before I was brought back to my father's country to work for the federal government.
It's okay. Once I get my share, for that deal, I will employ you.
Ha! My man! Dado!
So now, I will go back now.
Okay.
They don't know that I've told you.
Okay.
Then you will come.
Okay.
Hear me?
All right. No problem. Dado! Ha! Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Wizzy baby.
Yeah. People are wicked. So this is how they want to sideline me off. But thank God. My wife's spirit is working, no? But she's wicked.
That's okay, man.
Yeah.
Yo.
Are you okay? Are you people okay? Why are you pushing me? Do you know who I am? I'm the chief accountant. Former ICANN president, 2002. Don't people know who I am?
Who are you?
I am the one managing the person hosting WIZKID here. What's wrong with you? Do you know the company that have employed me? I was employed in UK 2003. I was employed in US before Canada people employed me. So, Hey, guy. Calm down now. Calm down. Eh? Guy, calm down now. Calm down. I used to see my betting office here. Calm now. Daddy! Bernard! Bianca! You people should calm down now. Calm down. Eh? Teddy, that is God though. So finally, Teddy, you succeeded in fumigating me out of this deal. There's one thing I know, that my God will fight my battle and I hold my peace. So this is how you want to settle my life. You succeeded in removing me out of this deal. No problem. Oh, no worry. No worry.
Guys, so now. Everywhere is food. Wow. The compound is choked. The whole street, people are coming. Yes.
What's your life? You have done something very, very awesome.
What do you mean by that?
I think it's time now. We now increase the gate fee now. Make it higher. To 5,000. Because people are coming.
It's not so much. No, it's not.
People are coming.
No, the way to take
Yes,
whiskey, yeah.
See, I think you should go and get him.
I should get him, baby. Hi.
Hi, what's up?
It's so nice to meet you finally.
Same
Thank
here.
you for coming.
It's okay, it's fine.
Can I say hi to him?
No, it doesn't work that way. You can just say hi to me, then I'll let you. Okay, let me let him know you want to say hi.
Oh,
So you can say it from here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, hold on. Relax. Yo, you want to say hi, man?
Hi. Oh, I'm fine.
That's okay. That's fine. Are you alright? Okay.
I'm fine.
So we need people to start coming in now because we don't have time.
Okay.
So 10 minutes we're out of here.
They should come in.
Yeah, in twos.
In twos, okay.
Yeah, in twos.
Okay.
Yo.
He doesn't like crowd. And there's no time, so we have to start coming in twos. Yes, he said in twos.
In twos, right? Easy. Yeah. Babala.
Time not the count.
Balogun ayo. Yeah. Cool. Hi, Stiwa. She's trying to be.
Kitty, go.
Hey, man. What's up? No, it's you can't come that close. Yeah. That's it. Madam, is okay. Thank you.
Next two.
They shouldn't come that close anymore.
Okay, what?
We'll just stand up and
Next person.
another one. Israel. We got a situation, bro. Another one.
Take her away.
What in their painting?
Take her.
Be careful with her.
Yourself.
Next.
Please, hurry.
Hi. Who is WIZKID?
What? Are you joking? What question did you ask? Who is WIZKID? For real, so are you blind? You are wearing a military cap. You can't talk to this guy. He's misbehaving. This is Babala. This is Wiz, the guy that brought Drake back into the business. You're standing in front of him. You're saying, "My friend, just take your selfie and get out from this place." And please, don't. You don't have even 1 minute.
It's okay.
And please, don't tell me it's okay.
We are from the Central Intelligence Department. Yeah? And mister, you are under arrest for impersonation. I want you to comply completely without no stress.
Now what could you walk? Now hustle. All these things. Now hustle, Baba. Now hustle.
Mister, move like this.
Now hustle. Now Baba. Hey.
WIZKID.
He's spoke Igbo. The Wizzy I know is a Yoruba boy, but this one spoke Igbo.
It's not his fault. No wonder when I said to him, Yaga, he did not know me.
Come on, go sit down. We're talking about
The real WIZKID knows me now.
Leave this thing alone.
Bianca brought to this place about WIZKID. She brought WIZKID from Newi.
He spoke Igbo.
He said his name is
Oh.
Chukuma. Bianca. And what if we had invested into this thing?
But he told me he bought whiskey.
But what if we had actually pumped money into it?
No wonder.
No wonder.
He did not know me.
Go and sit down, Joe. We are talking something that is serious. You are saying no one does not know.
No, because the real WIZKID knows me. I will say, Babala, yeah. He
So,
can't see me.
Bianca, so what are we going to do now? The people that have paid.
What we do to resign? Because if that crowd come here, we are dead.
No,
It's you. You should have collected money from them.
Let me accept.
It's you. Anyway, you going to Eddie.